Today's quarantine dish, spinach gnocchi. Okay, here's what you'll need. Spinach, duh. Gnocchi, also duh. Parmesan, 1 chili, 1 carrot, nutmeg, 1 garlic clove, cream cheese, and oat milk. And 1 glass of wine. Step 1. Wash, and then finely chop your spinach. Put your spinach into a separate bowl or saucepan. Now take your chili and garlic and finely chop. Add to the spinach. Now grate your Parmesan cheese and also add to the spinach. Grind some sea salt. Add a pinch of nutmeg, use your own discretion. Add the cream cheese. Mix well. Finally, a dash of oat milk. And mix again. Now set your mixture to one side. Step 2. Time for your carrot. Peel it. Cut it. Heat a frying pan and add some oil. Add your carrot and fry for about 2 minutes. If you have some Worcestershire sauce, you can use that to caramelize the carrot. Step 3. Add your spinach mixture to the pan. Mix well until hot. Step 4. Add your gnocchi. Stir well to ensure neither spinach nor gnocchi stick to the pan. Step 5. Don't forget to enjoy your wine. Step 6. After the gnocchi have become soft, time to serve up. If you have some leftover Parmesan, sprinkle on top. Alternatively, you can use feta cheese. And voila! Enjoy with a glass of wine. Step 7. Don't forget to clean up.